Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video. And today, guys, we're gonna be doing a little installation on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma crew cab. I think you guys have seen it in previous videos. We went off-roading to Sycamore one day, and we tried to get the Tacoma stuck, but since it's a 4x4, we couldn't get it stuck. We just tried to, tried all the features, the crawl feature, all that cool stuff it has, and we just couldn't get it stuck. We climbed a couple mountains. It was pretty fun, but we realized it did need some or side steps, so you guys call them. So we shout out to YITAMotor. Today's video is sponsored by them. They hooked it up with some side steps for the Tacoma guys, so I'm gonna have the homie Isaac pull up pretty soon, and we're gonna get these side steps installed. But yeah, once he pulls up, we're gonna get these installed to show you guys the installation process. And like always, guys, if you guys are interested in any of this stuff I have, the link will be down in the description. And as always, YITAMotor always provides me with a discount code, so make sure to use the discount code so you guys can get a discount on anything I use in today's video. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit when he gets here. So the truck definitely looks different from the last time we saw it, guys. He got a little lift on it and some new rims with tires. You guys can check it out real quick. It's like Christmas. All the hardware it comes with. Hopefully it's going to be an easy install. I'm going to probably bring out my drill just so this can go a little bit quicker. But yeah, let's start off with the passenger side. Alright, so it says step 1. Locate the 3 mounting positions of each side of the inner rocker panel. Remove factory plugs or hex bolts for mounting positions. Clean the sealant and dirt around mounting positions.
Flathead screwdriver.
Yeah. Okay. No, just pull it up again. Tighten this in.
Can you bring the ratchet so it's in there tight?
Alright guys, so you got middle bracket, front bracket, rear bracket in. You're gonna find these little plastic caps that were originally covering up the holes for the bolts. you're just gonna unscrew these either with the fly head or your hand. We did it with our hand, so it wasn't that hard. And then you just mount the brackets, obviously. And this is what it looks like from the outside. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, 3 bracket. Now we can go ahead and mount step. And the step, okay, so it comes with more nuts. So we just take these off, line them up, and then reattach them. Okay, so the nut stays inside the step, and then you just line it up with the bracket, and you put the bolt through, hand tighten it, so then you can adjust it, because you got to give back and forth, depending if you want the step more in or more out. We decided we're going to keep it more out. And then, yeah, whenever you get it lined where you want it, you just tighten the bolts.
Look, if it passes, it passes. Oh my goodness. I feel some bend, but we good. It passed.
Now when we go off roading, we can just hang out the tab of this.
Isn't there like where we go shooting?
Yeah, like
We can do like a little like clip of it like during.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start on the driver's side now, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with the same thing we did on the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Look for the little caps underneath, take those off, put the brackets on, screw those on, put the step on top of the bracket, screw those on. So if you guys didn't watch it already, you're not gonna watch it again, so you can rewind it. But let's put this on real quick, and then we're gonna do a little off-road test and see how it feels. So guys, the installs are pretty much 10 out of 10, super easy. Definitely something that you do on your own. You don't need the power tool that we use, the drill. It can all be done by hand with ratchet. Obviously just with the drill, everything goes by quicker. But yeah, definitely recommend these steps. They're really sturdy. We're gonna go off-roading right now. Maybe go shooting a little bit, test these out, and yeah. If you guys like this, make sure you check out the description below, guys.
I can't pull myself up.
dope theft.
Perfect.